Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Commutative Law Worksheets. So here we have a couple of worksheets which give us some exercises to give us practice with the commutative law. So this first worksheet will deal with addition and the second one will deal with multiplication. So answer each of the following questions regarding the commutative law for addition. The first one, we have to fill in the correct number here. So 4 plus 7 equals 7 plus a certain number. 6 plus 9 equals a number plus 6. 8 plus 6 equals something here. And 6 plus 8 equals something here. Here we have 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 3 plus something plus 4. 7 plus 8 plus 5 equals something plus 7 plus 5. So here we just have to write the missing numbers. Here we write true or false for each of the following. 12 plus 9 equals 9 plus 12. We write true or false. M plus N equals N plus M. True or false. A plus B plus C equals B plus A plus C. True or false. A plus B plus C plus D equals B plus A plus D plus C. True or false. Now this slide here deals with the commutative law for multiplication. We're asked to answer each question. So for this first one, we put the missing number there. Similar with this one, we write the missing number in that space. 7 times 8 gives us something. 8 times 7 gives us something. And 7 times M equals M times something. Here we write true or false for each of the following. 12 multiplied by 6 equals 6 multiplied by 12. True or false. A multiplied by B equals B multiplied by A. True or false. A multiplied by B multiplied by C equals B multiplied by A multiplied by C. True or false. M times N times K equals M times K times N. True or false. And finally, 100 times 1000 equals 1000 times 100. True or false. So this video has given us 2 slides where we have some worksheets to practice the commutative law for multiplication and the commutative law for addition.